Welcome to the online police clearance system. In order to complete your police clearance online, there are 4 phases that you have to complete. Phase 1, signing up on the official government portal. Phase 2, applying for your police clearance on the government portal. Phase 3, paying for your police clearance online on the Department of Finance website. And Phase 4, getting your fingerprint at your local police headquarters. Phase 1. On your internet browser, type www.gavman.gov.pg. Click search and click sign up to access the government portal. For new users, enter a valid email address and a valid phone number and enter a unique password. Then agree to the terms and conditions and click create account to sign up. A code will be sent to your email to confirm your email address. Get the code and enter it on the government portal and click confirm to continue. An authentication code will be sent to your phone as an SMS to verify your number. Retrieve the code and enter it on the government portal. Then click Confirm to proceed. To complete your profile and signing up on the government portal, add your title, your first name, your last name, your gender, your date of birth, and upload a clear image of your face and click Save. Phase 2. There are 6 steps required to completing your police clearance online. On the government portal, scroll down and select Police Clearance. To start your police clearance, Step 1, select your citizenship and your reason for your police clearance, then click Continue. Step 2, confirm your personal details and enter your landline. If not available, write none, then click Continue. Note, your personal details must match your details on your birth certificate. Step 3, enter your birth details, enter your date of birth, your place of birth, village of origin, district and province, then click Continue. Step 4, enter your passport number. For PNG citizens, if not available, type NA, then click Continue. Step 5, enter your postal address, then click Continue. Step 6, payment of your police clearance, which costs 65 kina. To make payments, click Pay Now, which will redirect you to the Department of Finance website to continue your payment. Phase 3. On the Department of Finance website, scroll down and click on Customer Portal. Then select the region you are in, then select the province you are receiving the service from, then select Royal Papua New Guinea Constabulary, then click Police Clearance, then click Character Check for your current citizenship type. Then enter your details, your title, your first name, last name, mobile number, your email, then select your ID type and the ID number, then complete the CAPTCHA check and then click Process to Payment. On the BSP Pay website, enter your BSP customer ID and name and click Pay. You will receive an SMS with your security code. Enter your code and click Pay to complete your payment. You will receive a pop-up message of the status of your payment. Once your payment is successfully processed, copy your receipt number and paste it on the police clearance portal to complete your online police clearance. Phase 4. To complete your police clearance, you are required to present a valid ID and a copy of your payment receipt and have your fingerprints taken at your local police station.